Hey traders, this is Shane and it is June 28th, Thursday. And it's my first day back trading this week simply due to some family events this past week. So just want to highlight a few things here. First off, today was the day that the Supreme Court was ruling on the validity, the constitutional validity of Obamacare. And that made for some pretty choppy price in through here. And let me just show you here. Market opens at 9:30. Let me just move this up here a little bit. It's not going to move. Hold on 1 second here. Let me see if I can move this chart up. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, market opens at 9:30 for us. Okay, so it's just right down through there. So you're looking at a 30-point range between the high and the low, leading into the release basically at 10 o'clock. Now here's the deal. We check Forex Factory for any sort of pending news, but this was not covered in Forex Factory. All right, you just have to know this kind of stuff is happening. There's a lot of websites out there like Market Watch, etc., that talks about these kind of events. And you see what happened leading into it. Here's this is right where the release comes out, where the ruling was released to the general public right through here. And you can see what happens is price obviously reacts to that. There is a reaction off of that, a rally in the market. And then the bulls go to town and sell off through here. All right, so it does make for some choppy price action through our trading time. But you're going to see my trades right in through here as well. Just so you know that you can get into these trades when you know what you're looking for, and that's what Dow Scalper is all about. Okay, so let me head over to my trades and we'll get started. Okay, so like I said before, the time opens at 9:30. Now these are screen caps. I hit print screens before it hits the target up here, just so you can see how it all pays out. And this is right off the open, pretty much. This trade right here, 9:30 is open right here. So what happens is we have a support level right through here. That's definitely not what I wanted to use. I didn't want to use that square. We have a support level right through here, and if you go further left on your chart, you'll see that the price has been here before. We had this move up here before the market opens. Price comes down here, more of a drifting move, right? Nothing really much to write home about. And this is a reaction after the open off of the support level. So market opens here. It was a buy at 12464. Profit target is 12472. And what's great about that profit target is it's below. It's in this wick area right here, which is great because you do know that this is going to act as a resistance level, and that's exactly why this blue line is here. So pretty much stage one play right through here. Market opens, and this goes for a +8. I actually take 3 trades today, and you'll probably see why. For those of you that are familiar with the course, if not, by watching this video, you can see what's possible with this this course. So that's what happens. You can see up through here, market opens, price starts moving up, and boom, right to our target right here. All right, so let's take a look at this second trade. It's right here, and there's that that candle that I just showed you right here, and then we get this candle right here, and that candle is telling you one thing, right? A lot of sellers are coming in this market. This trade is actually at 12454. That's a support level pretty much. For a couple of reasons. Number one, a support. When people buy off support, where's their stops usually go? Stops usually go underneath support, correct? So if price breaks down far enough from there, what's below support? When people go long, they've got their stops placed underneath there. And what happens when you trigger off a lot of stops, sell stops, right? Price starts to go down, and that's exactly what happens here. Now this trade was not, a walk in the park, that's for sure. Simply because look at these wicks. This in through here is very, very wicky. Buyers coming in, buyers coming in, buyers coming in, buyers coming in. But the good thing is every one of these candles closed red. All right, closed down, right? That's what we want. Their close was lower than the opening of the candle, and that's what we want. And definitely closing off the high. You can see right here, this one kind of closes in the middle. Actually, this one closes pretty much near the high. So does that one there, actually. But what you're seeing here is the way the candles are closing. At the end of the day, what's happening is each candle is closing off of the opening price. All right, so that's always good news. So this is the second trade. And so what we had, our first trade is the textbook trade north. This one here is a textbook trade south. Right, I say textbook because, like I said, it's all covered in Dow Scalper. And then we've got one more trade to take a look at, and you'll see see that right here. So let me go back to this one here. You see what's happening here. Price is coming down to 12446. All right, that's where the profit target is. So look at these candlesticks in through here. Let me go over here. So what do we have? Pretty much the same, right? Look at this candle right here. What is that candle telling you? First, what happens is price is kind of meandering down. It's not really busting through, is it? It does just basically take hits our profit target and then starts coming back up. But it's coming back up in this rangy kind of price action right here. But what you're gonna notice is this: if you draw a line through here, you got this low, price comes down, goes even lower, and what do these spikes tell you? It tells you buyer, right? And then what do you see? Buyers coming in, right? So it's definitely it's falling into a block where there is buyers looking to get into this market. And you need a point of reference, and the point of reference for me is this candlestick right here. When price comes down, right, what's going to happen in this area? This candle was fine. I like this one. However, there's no trade on this candle. It's just because we're in this sideways kind of action. You see it's just chopping around. But what happens here? Price comes down a little bit further, right? But look where this candle is. It's closing at its high. This is not. It's closing off of the high. This is closing at the high. All right. Now it's quite possible this one could have gone up. I would have missed a trade. That's, you know, it is what it is. And this is the trade number 3, so I would have been okay with that. Just a little bit of patience here, but you see what time it is. It's just a few minutes after 9:40, so it's about 9:42 in this area right here. Profit target's right here at, well, it's covered out 56, I believe that is. And what I like about this profit target is just below this level right here. You know, each candle's high is going to represent a resistance level, and each candle's low pretty much represents a support level, although, you know, it's a 1 minute chart. So when I say support level, I'm saying a very temporary support. So that's the trades, and I think you can tell by looking at them, they're pretty self-explanatory. A nice move up here, reversal trade here, breaking down through support where you know there's going to be some orders in through there, and then trade number 3, just getting the reversal back up.